Hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob.
We're a bit short on space here. Helen's there. We're in a restaurant called La Bottega, and it's been here since around about 2017. I do think that the owners might possibly be Italian.
It says so there.
We're not going to show you the full menu, but it does look interesting to say the least. They do specials of the day. One of us will see if we can put that over the top. But we're looking at sharing a few starters and getting the main. The wine, the cheapest wine is €19 a bottle. So this is not going to be the cheapest of places, I don't think, but it should be good.
Yeah, and it's also highly rated on the Fork and TripAdvisor, and what is it, the Guru one? What's the
Food Guru?
Food Guru and all things like that. It's one of the highly rated ones here in Nerja. So we'll see.
Yeah, and we're down near the Mirador, and I can't remember what the Mirador is called. Okay, so for starters, we are ordering provolone cheese. We've not had one for a long time. In fact, we've only ever had it at the Argentinian place.
Out and about, yeah.
Which is grilled on the barbecue. We're ordering homemade croquetas, which are filled with prawns and codfish, served with the mayonnaise and black olives, and prawns pilpil, basically your gambas al ajillo, the spicy prawns. Then for mains, I think myself and Helen are ordering tagliatelle al cinghiale.
It's Italian pronunciation, so I wouldn't know how to even say that.
It's with slow-cooked wild boar ragu over parmesan cheese and saffron fondue. And Bob's ordering, which also sounds interesting, the spaghetti alla chitarra, which is with 100% Wagyu beef, with 100% Wagyu beef bolognese sauce. There's a mouthful. And 24-month-old Parmesan cheese, which is basically what we're getting carried for, isn't it?
Yeah, it all sounds really nice. I do like Italian food.
Now, she's better looking than I am, there was also a slow-cooked pulled beef fillet, but it's stewed.
We are, yes.
And he's very efficient, the waiter. Isn't he?
Yes, yeah, and that's twice that's happened. We've come to a restaurant here in Nerja and they've took our order, which is fairly large, without writing anything down. They remember it.
Answers on a postcard if you know what that is that's behind Helen. I got it over the top of your head. So we have a freebie, which is homemade croquetas with blue cheese and caramelised onion, I think we said. Good?
Yeah.
Helen tells me the mayo is where the caramelised onion comes from. And it's quite a strong blue cheese taste, isn't
Really
it? But not a salty
cheesy,
blue
yeah.
cheese.
No, it's lovely.
Nice. This looks... Ooh.
Be careful because it's quite warm, okay?
Yes,
Yep,
thank you.
Thank you.
We have the homemade croquetas, and I believe the croquetas have got, is it a black olive mayonnaise?
Black olive and lemon, I think it is, mayonnaise.
This is...
The croquetas are prawn and cod.
Yes, thank you.
And it's prawn pilpil, so that's with a tomato and chilli and garlic sauce.
This looks...
It looks stunning.
That, our least favourite, all of us, but it was still good, was the provolone. It wasn't anything special.
Perfect.
The pilpil, the secret ingredient there is the fresh fennel.
You can take it, that's fine.
Was the fresh fennel, which was
beautiful.
Great. And the croquetas, which have got were homemade with prawns and cod.
They were absolutely delicious.
And black olive mayonnaise with lemon lifted it a little bit as well, but yeah. If the mains are as good as this, we may be back. That's Bob's Wagyu beef bolognese. So that again, sorry.
He said to mix it into the fondue at the bottom before we actually put parmesan onto it because it's got parmesan in it.
That's got 24-month age parmesan already on it, so
I've just had a piece of that wild boar, but it just melts in your mouth.
We went for desserts anyway. Helen and Bob have both gone for mango panna cotta.
Panna cotta is one of my favourite desserts, and I love mango, and I love coconut, and Andy's got coconut mousse.
Oh, that's what it was. Coconut mousse.
So it's gonna kill you.
Coconut mousse with lemongrass and sage.
Yes, and an almond crumb. Look at the mango on there.
Wibble wobble, wibble wobble.
You'll love that. That's beautiful.
Mango.
I'm going to try a bit of your
Try it.
coconut
Yeah,
one.
go.
Oh, that's delicious. I think I like yours better than mine, actually.
Really?
Yeah. There we go.
So, which am I trying first?
The mango.
Okay. Did you try that and the panna cotta
Yes.
or just that? Have I got a bit of both?
I don't know.
I'll get it from this end. That's special.
I knew you'd like that. Now try your coconut.
Oh, I don't know.
Which one do you like best?
I don't know. But they're both very nice.
Yeah.
So the waiter, Danny, is actually Italian, and he's been really good tonight.
He's been superb. He's recommended things for us, recommended pairings with wine and everything. He's very knowledgeable, and what he recommended was spot on.
Absolutely stuffed. Loved it. Recommend it to anybody.